Hello everyone, I am Sherry from Beijing, Hengrui. We bring you several centrifugal fans used in raw air conditioners for data center. This centrifugal fan series is specially designed for in-raw air conditioning applications. It has a compact structure, small installation space, diverse configurations. It can automatically adjust the air supply volume according to the load of the machine room. Mainly used for 300mm in-raw air conditioners. Let's check out these fans under operating condition with our technical engineer. The first model is R1G225-AF11-21 with a size of 225.3 by 225.3 by 99mm. The impeller is made of PA plastic with a protection level of IP44. Supports PWM 0 to 10 volt speed regulation. Operating temperature is between -25 degrees and 60 degrees Celsius. Here are its parameters. Rated voltage 48 volt. Rated current 2.2 ampere. Rated power 95 watt. Rated speed 2700 RPM. The maximum air volume is 1,130 cubic meter per hour. The static pressure can reach 640 Pa. The second model is R3G225-A07-03. The size is 225 by 225 by 100.7mm. The impeller is made of PA plastic. The motor is made of die-cast aluminum. The protection level is IP54. Supports PWM 0 to 10 volt speed adjustment. The operating temperature is between -25 degrees and 60 degrees Celsius. Here are its parameters. Rated voltage 230 volt. Rated current 1.4 ampere. Rated power 170 watt. Rated speed 2860 RPM. The maximum air volume is 1,310 cubic meter per hour. The static pressure can reach 720 Pa. The third model is 8317082558VBS0225RSLFS. The size is 225 by 225 by 99mm. The impeller is made of PA plastic. The motor is made of die-cast aluminum. The protection level is IP54. Supports PWM 0 to 10 volt speed adjustment. The operating temperature is between -25 degrees and 60 degrees Celsius. Here are its parameters. Rated voltage 230 volt. Rated current 1.3 ampere. Rated power 170 watt. Rated speed 2876 RPM. The maximum air volume is 1,233 cubic meter per hour. The static pressure can reach 700 Pa. You can always communicate with us about your special requirements, such as application and back pressure requirements, as well as different combinations of drives and innovative components. We can provide you with a comprehensive, efficient and energy-saving cooling solution. For more good fans, please follow us.